Yes, we want the best by being known for the best. Be and do the best in life. Remember, when you share the best, you feel good, and the people around you feel good. And the best gift that you can give to people around you is love. Accept those people, appreciate them, and show them the right way. Support, share, and share knowledge. Whatever you have, be able to share it with other people. And remember, you are blessed to be a blessing. Hi, how are you? This is Syaviha Mulengya, the author of the book Men Are Crying, Women Are Weeping, a great book that I would recommend that you read. Also, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, and say something. I'll appreciate. Today we'll be talking about a good reputation. If you want a good reputation, what do you need? And also we'll talk about also the danger of bad reputation. Bad reputation is dangerous. Bad reputation also can damage your productivity. Bad reputation can drag you to problem, can destroy your effort, can make you feel depressed when you have a bad reputation. That's the reason why you need a good reputation. What do you require for a good reputation? You need a character. Check your character. What do you do? How you live your life. Don't say it is my life, I can live it the way I want. Remember, someone is watching. God is watching, and people are watching. And I always keep telling you that people are watching, waiting for the best from you. So you need to work on yourself, because people are watching and waiting something great from you. You need to work on yourself. So good reputation requires character, courage, and also control, contentment. What do I mean? The control that you need to be able to check your life, because if you want to have a good reputation, contentment, be happy for who you are, for what you have. It's very, very key. The fifth thing that you need is confidence. A good reputation also requires confidence, connection with God. If you want a good reputation, you need to connect with your Maker. God will be able to speak to you, to show you, and be able to equip you. A good reputation requires about 6 things. You need character, courage, contentment, control, confidence, connection with God, and don't forget consistency. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited talking to a blessed and a wonderful person. Please share, subscribe, and say something. And please get on my books. This is Syaviha Mulengya, the author of the book You Have a Bright Future, and I want the best for my child. God bless you.